of quite equal importance, actually, is about how people welcome Ramadan with certain sayings. Ramadhaan Mubarak. Some people say it's a bid'ah and others say it's a sunnah. What is your ruling on this?
To welcome a month is good, alhamdulillah. And our Prophet always informed the other people about this month. And as I mentioned earlier, that our beloved Prophet Muhammad, it's mentioned in Musnad Ahmad, volume number 2, page number 230, Hadith number 7148, which is also repeated. It is mentioned in Sunan Nisai, chapter number 5, Hadith number 2106, that our beloved Prophet Muhammad used to always tell the people when the month used to approach, when it used to come. The Prophet used to tell the people in advance, O people, the blessed month of Ramadan is approaching you. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has ordained for you that you fast in this month. So the Prophet used to welcome this month. He used to wish other people. The same way today, if we wish, as the Prophet said, the blessed month is approaching. If someone says Ramadhaan Mubarak, this Ramadhaan Mubarak is more often said in the Indian subcontinent, by the Indians, by the Pakistanis, because this word Mubarak, though Baraka is an Arabic word, Baraka means blessing, and it is nothing but blessed month. But when the Indians and Pakistanis, when they use the word Mubarak, it is more of a sort of congratulation. When someone passes examination, they say Mubarak in Urdu, which is derived from the Arabic word Baraka. So when Ramadan comes, they wish Ramadan Mubarak, saying that it is the blessed month, or a sort of congratulating and wishing each other that the blessed month is approaching. So according to me, it's not a bid'ah. You can welcome the month. It's a good thing that you're calling this month a blessed month, and you're informing other people, reminding them that in this month is a lot of blessing. So according to me, it's not a bid'ah. But how you wish, the words you choose, that is mubah. That's optional. Like in Indian subcontinent, we use the word Ramadan Mubarak. In the Gulf countries, they use Ramadan Kareem. So all these words are good, the holy month or the blessed month or the month of forgiveness. So the choice of the words is yours. But the Prophet Muhammad, he used to say to the people that, O people, the blessed month of Ramadan is approaching. So I feel people should wish each other and they should remind each other about this blessed month.
MashaAllah. Jazakallah khair. Dr. Zakir Naik.